So right now I'm doing the Southern Tier Double Milk Stout. It's a 2X Stout. Again, this is a milk stout or sweet stout. This is one of the higher alcohol versions. This is 7.5% ABV. And I would say most of the milk stouts tend to be around like 5%. So this is pretty high in alcohol in comparison. This is brewed with 2 varieties of hops and 3 types of malts. So we're going to crack into this and see what we got. I'm a big fan of Southern Tier in general. Warlock is probably one of my favorite beers. And they have other ones I like as well. So you can see it pours a very dark brown, almost straight black. A little bit of head, not much. Lots of chocolate on this one. And there's also something else there that's a little bit like acidic smelling. Not sure what. Maybe it's some of the hops that are pushing through on this one. Because on most of the milk stouts and sweet stouts I've had, there's very low hop character, if any at all. So anyway, right to taste. Yeah. This one has, it's very strong. At 7.5%, you can really pick that up. It's very bold. It's more bitter than a lot of the other sweet stouts. The one thing that I personally am not a huge fan of on this one is the fact that it's not quite as sweet. You know, I like my sweet stouts to be sweet. Go figure, right? This one definitely has a less sweet. It's a less sweet version, which of course some people will prefer, whereas others, you know, won't like. And I'm one of those people that like the sweeter stouts, so not my personal preference. But it's very bold. To me, I can pick up on the extra alcohol that's in here. I can kind of taste it. I can also feel it. Again, you know, bitterness is through the roof on this one. It's pretty damn bitter, comparable to some IPAs. The chocolate flavor is very strong. It is a dark chocolate. Again, very low on the sweetness. For this style of beer, it's not my preference, of course. The flavor is very bold, though. You know, I have to give it that. It has a lot of flavor. It's just not the specific flavor profile that I'm looking for. You know, so overall, I mean, I'm not a big fan of this, but I can't fault it. It's doing something different. A lot of the other milk stouts are they're very comparable, and this one is set apart from all those. So Southern Tier is doing a good job of being different and being unique. It's just not to my personal preference, you know. Big bold mouthfeel though. I mean, you get like a film all over the mouth. I don't think that it's not necessarily creamy, and that's another thing I like in milk stouts is a very creamy mouthfeel. This is just a very bold bitterness, but it's so much so that it feels like it coats the mouth, you know. So it's not watery, it's not thin. It very much has like a thick, creamy mouthfeel without the creaminess. If that makes any sense at all. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't sound like it makes much sense, but it's all over the palate. You know, when you take a sip of this, you're going to be tasting it for a couple minutes afterwards. But it's somehow still not creamy. It's just strong, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, besides that, tons of dark chocolate. I don't really get coffee in this one. I've heard some people say they get a little bit of coffee notes, but not for me. Just a lot of dark chocolate. It is kind of one-dimensional. There's not much complexity here. It's just a chocolate stout, chocolate-ish stout anyway. But you know, just strong in alcohol. So I don't personally recommend this one. Again, based off of my preferences in beer styles. But I will say, of course, that you know, if you're looking for something different, they're certainly doing something different here. But if you do generally like, you know, milk stouts, I don't know if this is something that's, you know, going to please you in that specific style of beer. It's a little too strong for this style for me in alcohol, and a little bit too bitter for my liking, and just not creamy enough anyway. So that's my take on this particular one. It's not a bad beer. I have to be fair. What it's trying to represent is very good. It's a good quality beer. It's just not something I personally, enjoy all that much. So that's it. That's my review on the double milk stout from Southern Tier. Hope you guys have a very safe weekend, and I will see you guys soon with some new videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.